Okay, now we're ready to import our data into R. Because we saved our syntax from last time, it's quite easy to pick up where we left off. So we place the cursor next to this line of code and press Ctrl and Enter. It'll change our working directory for us. Okay, I have a data file called results, and I'm going to show you how to get this file into R. The particular method for getting your data into R will depend on how your data are saved, as we'll see in a moment. So we're going to start with CSV data. This is basically an Excel file that's been saved in a comma-separated values format. So we give a name to our dataset that we're going to import. Let's call it dataset1. We use the assignment operator, which is a backwards arrow by default. You can also use the equal sign, which I personally prefer. And then the command. So the command for a CSV file is read.csv. And then we need inside the name of the file. So this one is results.csv. We also need to specify the header argument, which means R will know how to deal with the first row, whether to treat that as a header or not. And this is a logical argument, so we can put true, or we can put false, or T or F. And that's it. That'll load the data for us. Control and Enter, and our first data set is loaded into R. If we click on this, it shows us exactly what it would look like in Excel. Okay, there's a slightly simpler way of doing this, which is the following. Dataset2, read.csv, and then file.choose brackets. Okay, so if we run this, Control and Enter, it brings up a dialog box, and it opens up in our working directory. So from here I can simply select the file that I would like to import and open. And there we are. Dataset2 is loaded. But what if your data are not saved in a .csv format? Well, the read.xl package allows us to read in .xlsx files, which is the default method for Excel. So I've already installed this package, so I won't install it again, but I will repeat the syntax. So install.packages, and then in speech marks, read.xl. Once you run that, you need to run library read.xl, so we can use what's in the package. And from there, the syntax is dataset3 read_xl, and then similar to above, we need the file name, which is results.xlsx this time, and we can also specify the sheet. So we can say sheet 1. If you don't specify this, it'll assume that you want to import the first sheet anyway. Control and Enter. Okay, so there we are. We have our 3 datasets imported using slightly different methods. I should also say that if you have data in an SPSS format or Stata format, so .sav or .dta respectively, you might look at the foreign package, and that will allow you to import those data in a different way.